I made this video specifically for novice driver and senior citizen or people who are just starting to learn how to drive the motorcycle. So I made a video before this. I posted it in my other channel, and I think that was in Noah's Travel. Noah's Travel was already monetized, so I made this one just to show people the road condition going to from Guimbal to Tubungan and vice versa. So that you have an idea what you go through when you go to Tubungan.
Lang po. Ikaw ba, hindi ko kisaklam ah. Yeah, pamunta na ako. Ana, para nga dasok-dasok ba. Yung daw doon silya. Ano ginagawa mo?
Ano yung maya?
Ha? Pula?
Oo.
O sige. Pula mo naman namin. Kuya gudunod no? Puto, may lang may kumubusan to. So suli na sa iktubli ba? Ang isa ka motor to no, busan motor. Pangita sa hindi ano bakla niya kaysa bababukid to.
Hindi nga motor.
Ha? Ambot ko ni ano nila to. Way gali si motor oil kin takla dia sa bukid. Lo? Mga pila kilometro?
May pira siya. 5 kilo.
Pulo? Sobra? Manami ang dala no? Kaysa diri magi sa Leo no? Okay na. Okay na to ah. Mawas na kron. Ali ko. Pila ka litro? Kaya pa. 2.8. 2.8 lang nagasto ko. Okay ni no?
On the way to Tubungan, from Pabia, I took the San Miguel, Leon, Tubungan Road. But I think that was not an ideal one for novice rider like me because the road condition there is bad. It's not that good compared to this one here that I'm taking right now. Anyway, the young rider, they love that kind of road because they want to show off their skills. But for me, that is not mine. So this is now from outside Tubungan proper, and I took fill up my full tank gas from Pabia to Tubli and back. That's what I consume, 2.8 liters. Well, it's not that really economical ride, considering that this motorcycle is 150cc. But I still like it because it's much more economical when you compare to when you drive a car. So this is the condition from Pabia or Tubungan on the way to Guimbal. So from Guimbal, you just take the national highway, the Iloilo City Antique highway. Then you pass by Tigbawan, Oton, Bilya, and then Iloilo City. Although it is much more farther by probably few kilometers, I'm not sure, but it's still much more smoother ride. Very relaxing drive, no stress, and very relaxing. Okay, so this is the condition of the road. I think Tubungan is still part of First Congressional District, unlike Leon, which was I think second district already of Iloilo. So I don't know what river is this, what road, because this is the first time I've been to Tubungan in all my life. Although my old man is from Guimbal, neighboring town, but we have no chance to go here in Tubungan because we have no friends or relatives here. So, and beside before, I think the road condition is not as good as this. So we will not have a chance to visit Tubungan. We just passed by Port right there in the road a few minutes ago. The one on the going left is the going to Tigbawan. I think that is a shortcut when you're going to Iloilo. But next time, I'm gonna explore that route because this one is you have to go around. You have to go to Guimbal, then go back again, drive back south to Iloilo City. So I don't know what is the road condition there, but I'll try to explore that on my next video. As you have noticed, the road is almost 100% cemented and flat. So there's no uphill or downhill climb or constant winding road. It's very, very safe and stressless, no stress in driving, very relaxing, and no traffic. So I recommend to novice driver like me or those senior citizen already that is fond of driving motorcycle to take this route going to Tubungan. And you see there's nothing, no traffic and everything. So I don't know what barangay is this already, but next time when I have a chance to come back here, I'll try to research all this barangay that we have passed through. Because as you see, the houses, this route is, I think, more populated compared to the previous one that I took earlier, which is mostly rice field and coconut and everything there. Here is more houses. Well, because I think this place is already progressing, so I like this area. So this is the reason why I took a video on this thing. Okay. After this road trip, I'm planning to do the Panay loop or I will drive all around Panay. Probably next week or if the best chance that I have, the sooner the better, because I want to explore the beauty of my province and my town, and that I hope the road condition there is more better now compared to 50 years ago when I left this place. The road there is very terrible, and just a few buses are only flying, not that convenient anymore to travel. Right now it's very easy. You have a motorcycle, you can go anywhere you want, and I don't know. Oh, this is another long bridge here. I'm not sure what is the name of this bridge because I did not research this trip. Okay, now after this, Antique, Kalibo, Rojas, Capiz, and I plan to have a 3 to 4 days road trip. And then I check in the hotel, and then explore the area, and then I think this area here is already Guimbal. I seen a sign there. I passed by. It say Igkokolo Obos. So that Igkokolo is a barangay of Guimbal. But I should have. I should have. It's too fast driving, and I didn't see the what. Probably I can go back again someday here. But yeah, this is already Ikukulo. And another bridge here. So nice. See the road condition, very relaxing drive. Okay, and then no traffic and everything. So I recommend this route if you're planning to go to Mount Igtubli. And in Igtubli, Tubungan, there's highway there that they are built. It's almost done. I think it's 5 to 7 kilometers more to go to connect to Aningalan, San Remio, Antique. So I have also a video of that, and gonna post this and that video in here in Ilongga Majjhong probably tomorrow. The road condition too in Igtubli, Barangay Igtubli, Tubungan. But I did not push through because I'm scared. Probably next time when I have a confidence in my driving, then probably that's the time I gonna try going all the way up there. Because there's another road there when you go up there in the summit of Igtubli, before you go proceed to San Remio Antique, there's another fork road there. The one going to the left is going to Igbaras. So Igbaras, another town of Guimbal, neighboring town, another town of Iloilo, which is a neighboring town of Guimbal. So they are almost intersecting here, and I'm very glad that the government are already trying to interconnect all the roads so that those people in the hinterlands can avail of the progress that we're making. Like for example, their product, they're easy to bring it to the lowland town to sell their fruits, vegetable or animal. So yeah, we're moving forward. We are it's already progress. Okay, so hopefully another 10 years and everything is all the Iloilo and Antique roads, towns are interconnected. I mentioned earlier that I have another channel, Noah's Travel, which has already monetized, and this one, Ilongga Majjhong, I'm trying to have this monetized. So please, if you like this video, help me to by subscribing and by like and watch, because I need a lot of watch hour. I need 4,000 hours watch hours and 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscriber and able to monetize this channel. So if you like it, I hope you're gonna help me. I think we are now in the population of Guimbal. They did not have that welcome sign, so I was not able to notice that we are already in Poblacion Guimbal. And some town that I've been through, they have a big sign there saying welcome. And this one here, they don't have. But still the same, look at the road, look at the houses, because mostly this town of Guimbal is a little more progressive, because most of the people here, they are one way or another, they have a relative abroad.
Yes, this is it. May mga balay di sa Guimbal. Dako. Damo mga kwarta di mga tao taga abroad. Taga abroad ang mga Gimbalinyo. And this is Gonzales Street. Taga na to sa Gonzales Street. Tabo ka mo? Napatay. Napatay.